Hey y'all, Kimberly here, Kilo Juliet 7, Oscar Mike Oscar, here with a mystery box. I wonder what's inside. Let's cut it open and find out. Alrighty, take a guess at what this could be. Could it be a new radio? Could it be new... whatever the heck? Who knows? Oh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, the suspense. What could it be? What could it be? Oh, hey. Look at what I got. It's Blahaj. Look at this beautiful thing. Oh, it's so cute. Look at this thing. Thanks to Brad, the VK2NMZ, for donating this beautiful thing to me.